guys, Static Spider here, and today we are going to be showing you how to make a shield potion, a basic shield potion. Only we're not going to have all the accessories, like, you know, the cool ribbon or like the flip open thing. It's just going to be basic. It's just going to be a normal mason jar, stuff like that. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to this video. So first, you'll be needing mason jar, simple and small. Then you'll need some blueberry, pomegranate, Gatorade.
Show them that it's legit. Show them it's legit. Blueberry, pomegranate.
Okay. Then you're going to be needing cool blue Gatorade.
Show them it's legit. Yep.
Okay. Then you're going to be needing some basic Sprite to get that fizz in there, like that bubble kind of effect. So what you want to do first? You want to open your jar. Simple. See? Harley will be showing us the next directions.
I always put it like that.
So you put the blueberry pomegranate in there.
Yep.
You pour like a tiny.
So you take the blueberry pomegranate, you open it up.
You just pour them.
And then you obviously take
And
the.
then you pour enough for enough for all three.
Yeah, you should put. Actually, no. The best thing to do right now is put this one in first, because you know this one's darker. So we put that one in last.
Right, this one's bright.
Yeah, we need that. We need the brighter one first.
Burger bottom, Sprite's in the middle, and blueberry
Pomegranate.
pomegranate on the top.
Okay, come on, Harley. You got this.
I can't get it. You say this one.
Best friends forever.
Shut your face. Bite.
Okay, quit. Pay attention, Harley.
Blueberry.
Okay, quit, you two.
Put the lid on.
Yeah, put the lid on, and then open the top so it's precise.
And then you pour about that much.
No. You put like up to there.
Hold on. Yeah, like that.
No, up.
Come on, Harley.
Squeeze it in.
It got on.
Now.
It's okay.
Now I'm gonna be pouring in.
Okay, Christian.
Now you gotta pour in your Sprite.
Best friends forever.
BFs.
Put about that much in.
See, it looks pretty good.
Final ingredient.
Duh.
You have to finish off pouring in.
Blue pomegranate.
So,
Christian.
we'll be doing this job. So you gotta finish it up to that line right there.
And I do the taste test.
Christian! Oh my God, Christian! Are you trying to concentrate while peeing? There! Okay, you know what? You're a noob. Get out of here. Get.
Okay, we need paper towels before this, because this could stain, right?
Yeah. Maybe. I don't know.
Oh, you need to look at you dumping.
And then go get paper towels inside. Or there's
You
paper
take
towels.
this and you put it on here. And then you screw it on.
And there we go.
No, we're supposed to like.
We need to wipe it down first. So
Yeah, Harley. Harley!
Okay, we're about
the process of making a video without being rehearsed. Ryan
Starring Ryan Hayden with his friends.
and Harley Hoyt.
The dumb
and Christian Cout and Vance Way.
Wait, let's go wear it.
No.
No, I go by Static Spider.
No, Harley, no one cares.
I go by Static Spider.
Okay, come on. We're at 4 minutes.
Okay.
It's gonna be a lot.
So guys, now that we finished our shield potion,
Can I taste test it first since I've been the cameraman?
so I'm gonna shake it up a bit. It's not too good, but you know it's supposed to be
It
more
actually looks good.
good. So seeing as I am the YouTubeaneerist,
Can I please?
I will taste test it first.
Wait,
I am the YouTubeaneerist.
I'm a kid. Then I'll taste test it next.
And me after that.
No, Christian.
I have 50 shield already.
Does it taste amazing?
Yes, it tastes amazing. Guess what? Okay, this is one thing.
Hey,
I haven't even drank the full thing and I already have 50 shield.
100 shield.
no, Harley, you don't know how it works. I get this whole bottle.
It's over 9,000 shield.
Can I try it? Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna try it. Oh, that's actually pretty good. I'm not even joking.
What's it taste like?
Okay.
It tastes like Howard. Here, I'll taste it. Power!
Ah!
And
Try some, Christian. Drink the rest, Christian. Chug, 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 chug. Fine. No what? No.
Christian, come on! What did you just do? What did you just? Oh, wait.
So guys, that is your homemade shield potion. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to leave a big thumbs up on this video, and make sure to like. And if you do like, make sure to hit the notifications bell so that you're notified when I make new videos. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day. And peace.